So we are in Z, the code editor. So it's actually your workshop where you will organize the work of the agent and of the AI model and of the recorder. So on the right panel, you have the recorder Git, where you will see the changes that happen in your project. Here you have the terminal when you can type some specific command. And now we will access to the agent panel. So this is the little button on the bottom left, a star icon, agent panel. You click on it. Maybe you will have an advertisement here. You can just close it. It's okay. At the top of the agent panel. Then you see at the bottom, you have the model. So the model currently, the AI model, is set to Gemini 2.5 Flash. This is a legacy model. We don't want that. So we click on the small arrow to change it to Gemini 3.5 Flash, the current model in June 2026. Then we have here what we call either the thinking effort or thinking level. If we click on the small arrow, we can see we can change it. What I advise is to let it at medium. Medium is the default thinking level of Gemini. Then you have this little bulb. So it's enlightened. That means that the thinking mode is enabled. If you click on it, it disables it. But I advise to re-click on it. And that's all.